Thank you to our Mexican customer for ordering 120 PCS of EA1000C6 rental LED screens. EA1000C6 rental LED screen features a durable die-cast aluminum cabinet with stainless steel screws and quick-release locks, ensuring strong durability. It is IP65 waterproof with rubberized connectors and rear cover sealing for reliable protection. The quick-release lock design supports curved installations, enabling fast assembly and excellent flatness. Power supply is securely mounted on the rear door, and the rear cover features a heat dissipation design for stable performance. Widely used in stages, exhibitions, and conferences, EA1000C6 is flexible, easy to install, and suitable for both temporary and permanent applications.